morning students. Today we are going to start with practice set 6.4. See, in previous lecture you have studied different identities, right? Which identities we have studied? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then splitting middle terms you have studied, and a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So all these identities we are going to use in this practice set. So see, first question children, m square minus n square divided by m plus n bracket square into m square plus mn plus n square minus m cube minus n cube. Now see here, are you able to factorize this? Yes. Which identity children? A square minus b square. So what is the expansion? A plus b into a minus b, that is m plus n multiplied by m minus n. Now this bracket square is there. So remember that when you are simplifying the expressions, you have to not expand it. Otherwise you may expand like m square plus 2mn plus n square. No children, because here we have to do cancellation. So simply I will write this as a m plus n multiplied by m plus n, because 2 times same bracket will appear because square is there. Then this term cannot be factorized because middle term is 1. And product is 1 n square. So we are not able to factorize, so I kept it as it is. Now m cube minus n cube, it is an identity, a cube minus b cube. So replace a by m and b by n. So factors are m minus n into bracket m square plus mn plus n square. Now see which terms are getting cancelled, m plus n to m plus n, m minus n, m minus n, and this bracket and this bracket. What is left? 1 upon m plus n. So this is our final answer. Here we have used identity a square minus b square and a cube minus b cube. Here square is there, so same bracket is written twice. Now see next question, a square plus 10a plus 21. Now here we have to do splitting middle term. How to do? Already we have studied method. First find the product of a square and 21. It is positive 21a square. Now find the factors of 21a square in such a way that addition of these two factors should be 10a. Now 21 is not divisible by 2. So we'll think for 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 plus 7, 10. Means factors of 21a square are 3a and 7. And sum of these two numbers is 10a. So replace 10a by 7a and 3a. So here I have replaced this 10a by 7a and 3a. Then make the groups like this. Here a square, a. So a is common. From a square a is taken. So 1a is left. Plus sign. This a came out. So 7 is left. Here in 3's table 21 is coming. A is not there. So a will keep in bracket. 3 sevens are 21. Now this bracket is common. So we'll write this bracket only once and remaining terms will group in other brackets. So these are the factors of your first trinomial. Now we'll factorize second trinomial, a square plus 6a minus 7. Product is negative 7a square and sum is positive 6a. 1 sevens are 7 and 7 minus 1 you will get 6 as the answer, and product will be negative 7a. Remember children, if one of the sign is minus, then middle sign should be given to bigger number. So here bigger factor is 7. So middle sign is positive. So positive sign is given to 7 and negative sign is given to smaller number. As product is negative, one number will have negative sign and one number will have positive sign. Now here a is common, a plus 7 is left in bracket. As we want plus sign, minus 1 is taken as a common because here nothing is common. So minus 1 is taken as a common, a plus 7. A plus 7 you have to write only once, then a minus 1 in other bracket. Now next one is a square minus 1. It is in the format a square minus b square. So factors are a plus 1 into a minus 1. Now replace a square plus 10a plus 21 by a plus 7 into a plus 3. Then this by a plus 7 into a minus 1. This by a plus 1 into a plus minus 1. And this as it is, cancel the like terms. So what is left? A plus 1. Now see third question. Here also we are going to use the identity a cube minus b cube and a square minus b square. A cube means first write the cube root of 8x cube, it is 2x, that of 27, y cube is 3y. Then use the identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Square of 2x is 4x square, 6xy plus 9y square. Then factorize this 4x square minus 9y square. Both are perfect squares. So we can use the identity a square minus b square. So what is the square root of a square? That is 4x square is square of 2x and 9y square is square of 3y. So it will be 2x plus 3y multiplied by 2x minus 3y. Cancel the like terms and write remaining terms again. 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y. 2x minus 3y get cancelled. Similarly, we can solve fourth question. Here, first trinomial will factorize, that is x square minus 5x minus 24. Product is negative 24x square and sum is negative 5x. Means definitely one number will have negative sign and other number will have positive sign. So what I told you children, middle sign should be given to bigger number. So 8 3s are 24, bigger number is 8, so it will have negative sign and other number will have positive sign. So x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24, replace 5x by 8x plus 3x. Then x is common, x minus 8, then 3 you have to take as a common because 3 8s are 24. So factors are x minus 8 into x plus 3 and x square minus 64, both are perfect squares. So we can use the identity a square minus b square. Then replace x square minus 64 by x plus 8 into x minus 8. See which terms are getting cancelled. All terms are getting cancelled. So answer is 1. Remaining sums we'll see in next video.